As asked for, this is my Ozito chainsaw sharpener. It ain't nothing special. I think I paid 20 quid for it in home base about 6 years ago. It just gets thrown in and out the boot, it does its job. It's got a degree adjustment there, chain adjustment so it all automatically feeds through properly, and there is an adjustment on the back for how deep it goes into the chain. Battery goes on there, standard 18 volt, switch is there. Loads of instructions, people can show you how they work.